going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I have finally purchased a disinfecting unit for my mini split, and today in this video we are going to be trying it out. Seeing as my mold test kit video, the second one showed tons of black mold inside my mini split, I thought to take care of it right away, and I started researching on Google and Amazon to find the best solution. One of those solutions was to get a blue tarp looking bag that goes over the machine, and then you bring a power washer inside, spray it out, and then the water drains into this funnel. I didn't want to do that. I don't own a power washer. I don't know how to power wash inside a home. I didn't want to spend the money to hire someone. So I saw one of these bags on, I believe it was Facebook, and I decided to buy it. It was $289, so hopefully this is a cheaper solution to rid the mold or hiring somebody to get rid of the mold. So today we are going to be unpackaging this unit and putting it up on the mini split. It works for about 30 minutes and then supposedly all of the mold is gone. They recommend doing this once every 2 weeks, so we're going to try to keep up with that maintenance to see if we can keep the mold at its lowest in my tiny house. Okay, we've got this pure AC bag right here. We have got this bag here. This is what disinfects it. They sell different sizes, so you want to get the one that fits your mini split. They sent this plate that we're supposed to put on the mini split itself, and then this machine here is going to be put up against it. So let's do that before we start this. First things first, they recommend turning off the mini split, so we are going to turn the mini split off, and then we are going to attach that plate to the mini split, and then this will stay on there for the next time I want to put the unit on and disinfect it. I cut these directions off the box, so that's where it says to install the mount plate. We're actually then going to remove the filters, and then we install the pure AC and press start. Also says to remove the filters, so we're going to do that. I'm just going to drop them to the floor. We'll probably end up cleaning those again. There's a filter inside here with a plastic bag around it, so we're going to remove the plastic bag and then put the filter back in. It really sucks because I can't put the ladder anywhere near the door because there's no room, so I have to put it to the side. There's also no room to get to it on the other side, so you either need an A-frame ladder, a taller step stool, or something down there to offset the lean of the ladder so that it's not putting pressure on the door. So I'm going to try this somehow. It was just put in the most inconvenient spot, even though it's really convenient being here. It's out of the way. This device right here gets magnetized to the plate that I put on the mini split. The plate stays on the mini split, and then when I take this off, I can put this away, and then when I need to clean the mini split again, the plate is still on there and it's magnetized. They also gave this plug, so we're going to plug that in right now. this should be it. We are going to push the button on this little unit right here and hopefully it starts to clean it. And then in 30 minutes, we're gonna check it again, and they say if there's a hum, then it's doing its job and it's done its work. Let's turn it on and see what happens. So we are in the process of disinfecting my mini split right now. It is a wonder to think that this bag is going to do the job, but in 30 minutes we're going to find that out. So let's wait. A couple of things I'm noticing is that there is a weird smell in the air right when I turned the unit on. It was a significant smell, like a chemical of some sort. I don't know if it's a chemical that's inside the bag that cleans it, or if it is pulling out mold and that's what I'm smelling. It doesn't smell moldy or mildewy or anything like that. I don't know if it's harmful for the cat, so I'm actually going to read more up on this product just to see, you know, exactly its method of how to disinfect. The second thing I want to touch base on is that it is 15 minutes after I've had the thing running and it's no longer humming. I had gone on their website and looked at like some questions and answers, and someone had asked, how do I know if the device is working? And it said, you will hear a humming. Well, it's only been on for 15 minutes and we're supposed to leave it running for a half an hour, and 15 minutes after I started it, the humming stopped. So I don't know if that means it stopped working or if that cleaned the whole thing. So again, I'm going to be reading up on this some more, and we're going to wait another 15 minutes. Maybe it'll kick back on. I don't know. This is my first time doing this, but let's wait another 15 minutes and see what happens. It is 15 minutes later and the disinfection is supposed to be done. So it's been 30 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and take it off. I'll unplug it. I'll take off the disinfect. It turned green! It's done! So I'm gonna take the unit off. It's done its job, and I'm gonna mark it on the calendar, and then we're going to do it again in 2 weeks. So I might order a mold test kit in order to test to see if the mold is out of there. I don't know if this is just air spores or if this is also surface samples, but there's a tube in there and supposedly that's what's either sucking in bad mold spores or letting out a disinfectant into the mini split. Again, I have a little bit more to learn on this product, so I'm gonna take that off right now and we're gonna put it back in its bag and put it away for the next time. We're going to be able to keep the plate up there, and that is convenient for the next time. I want to show you guys, this is hooked in there. It's on the inside of it, so it just stays inside there. So I don't know if, and it's also connected to this box down there, so I don't know if it's gathering, if it's putting a substance out into the mini split and killing something, or if this tube is sucking in the bad air and putting it into the filter. I don't really know how it works, but we're gonna look more into that and see exactly how it works. I purchased this Pure AC unit on Facebook, saw another Facebook ad, so I purchased it. My sponsor in the group Tiny House Central, Affordable Mini Splits, I mentioned this company to them and they are going to start selling their products. So if you guys want to check one out, maybe he'll have a deal on them. They're also going to be selling these units, so if you guys want to purchase one, maybe check out his link and they'll have maybe a special deal on it, since they've got great deals on mini splits and so many other products. So I will be linking his link in the description below, as well as the Pure AC website if you guys have any questions on that. going to, and that is convenient for the next time that we do the testing. No, don't put that.